I started Muay Thai because of my criminal career. I had the choice to going for a long time to jail or doing something useful.
I got kicked out of mainstream school and went to a naughty boys school. And then I started going to the gym in Darlington. I realised there was another world, a better world that I could make for myself.
I had been kicked out of school, so I was getting in trouble fighting. And fighting is something I always like to do, so I went to the gym, I tried it, and it tore me up. The workout was so hard. I was kind of not sure what path I wanted to go in my life, but one thing I knew that I wanted to continue my Muay Thai training as a means of discipline.
I grew up in the tough streets of South Africa, you know, where gangs rule the streets, you know. It was either you're a gangster or you know, but you get dropped.
I grew up in a city called Leeds. You know, it can be quite a tough place to live in certain areas. I would get in a lot of trouble and stuff, you know, when I was little.
Sports or gangs for me is take the child out of the streets, out of the drugs, especially in Brazil, because that's my reality there. The reality is most of the childs are tough. They can fight. Even for slow money, they can go and fight.
Because I'm in the limelight, I feel like it's my duty to be a role model towards younger people, you know, to keep them on the straight and narrow. That's why I support Is Your Gang.
We can use the sport and help to take the childs off the streets and make a better future for them.
I'd like to say thank you, Muay Thai.